Ever wondered how to transform your plain walls into a canvas of creativity? Let's add a splash of trendiness to your space. Welcome to a world where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today we're diving into trendy wall-hanging craft ideas that will surely spark your curiosity and engage your inner artist. Imagine a wall hanging made from macrame, the art of knotting string in patterns to make decorative statements. Or how about using reclaimed wood for a rustic charm? Or perhaps you're into the vibrant hues of a woven tapestry. Now think about your favorite craft material. How would you use it to create a wall hanging? Remember, there's no limit to creativity. It's all about expressing yourself. So, are you ready to embark on this crafting journey? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trendy craft ideas. And if you're crafting along, we'd love to see your creations. Leave a comment below and let us know how your project is coming along. Crafting is not just about creating something, it's about telling a story. And we can't wait to hear yours. Stay tuned for more inspiration, and until next time, keep crafting. Next time, we'll explore the magic of crafting with paper. You won't want to miss it. So, grab your crafting tools and let's get started. See you in the comments below. Stay connected to random things and more for trendy, crafty ideas.